Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. So, we are in the episode 11 of our AI tool series. Today, we are going to explore Replit AI, an AI powered cloud development platform that lets you write the code, build applications, and also debugging errors, and even we can deploy the projects from, from our browser. Instead of just talking about its features, we are going to build a weather application and see how the Replit AI helps us throughout the development process. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. I am currently on the Replit dashboard. So, for this today's video, I am going to create a new project. Today, we are going to create a project with a Python Flask, and we are going to giving some prompt here. We are like it is going to build a modern Flask app where users can search for any city and view the current temperature, weather condition, humidity, wind speed, and weather icon using the OpenWeatherMap API. Create a responsive UI and organize the project with the following best practices. After clicking on the enter, now it will take some time. The Replit AI will take some time, and it will create the Flask application, and it also generates the HTML template, writing the CSS styling, connects to the weather API. So for this we have to it is asking here, we can see that it is asking for OpenWeatherMap API key. So we have to create a new account in OpenWeatherMap API, OpenWeatherMap. Then after creating, we have to go to the section of API. Then we have to generate one API key and paste it here and click on the submit. That's it. It will complete process of taking the API key. Then after giving the API key, we will get all the, it will resume all the code generation. Why? Because why we are using API keys? We want to fetch the data in a real time. So for a real time fetching, we are using the OpenWeatherMap API key to fetch all the data related to the particular city with wind related or temperature, humidity, and everything. It will generate. That's why. Yeah. Now in the next prompt, I am just gonna ask the how exactly the backend is communicating with the API and fetches the data in a real time. Now the Replit AI can tell us how the API request works and how does the weather information is received and how it's displayed on the web page. From fully it can gives us from the request of front end to the how does the backend is giving the response. And it is also, we can see that it is generated the full request and response cycle. And how exactly does the request and response cycle works? We first, it is giving like some steps on how exactly it works. As we can see that in the left side of the video, we can see that. And it is not giving like dummy data. It is giving from the API. It is fetching the real-time data and showing it to the user. That's what we had implemented in our application. Now let's see. We are typing here one city name, Bangalore, and click on the enter. Now we can see that it is generated all the UI with different parameters of climate and weather. As we can see that how many degrees right now in Bangalore city, and also it is showing us the 5-day forecast. Now let's see for different cities, and as of now I am searching for the Delhi. We can see that Delhi weather. and it is showing the different parameters, wind, humidity, and pressure and everything. Now I am asking the Replit AI to improve the user interface by adding some more modern styling with a loading indicator while fetching the weather data, and also shows the error for an invalid city name. So it can make our application more robust and error handling in a more better way. Within seconds, the Replit AI updates the project. Now let's see how exactly the UI is changed. Replit AI can convert the UI into some more better. With the small improvements, the application had becomes much more user friendly, and it is also showing the loading message while fetching the data in a real time. And if someone can enter the invalid name, at the time it will show some message like invalid city name. It will show that. Now let's see. We are adding some different useful feature. Here I am just asking the Replit AI to save the application, the weather application, to save the 5 such cities and displays them as the recent searches. Like if you want to search for the latest what we exactly research searched on the search history for the different cities, it will show them as the latest five cities it will show. So we don't even explain where exactly file is located, and Replit AI will understand the project structure and update the required files automatically. So we don't need to change anything, and we don't even need to train the Replit AI where exactly the files are located. This will understand the project entirely within significant amount of time. Now I am going to test test that whether it is giving the recent searches or not. As we can see that it is giving Bangalore, and I am searching for some more other cities. We can see that I am adding some more other cities. And if you want to switch between from one city to another city, we can do that also by clicking on the recent searches below tags, below city tags. We can switch the weather from one to the another. Yeah, that's all about that's how we had made our weather application. If you are a beginner or something you are learning, you want to practice without using any heavy setup, we can use the Replit AI. Everything works in the browser. We don't need to set up more. Overall, I think Replit AI is one of the easiest way to start building software with AI. If you never tried Replit AI before, it's definitely worth exploring. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope this video helped you to understand what Replit AI and how it can make application development faster and easier. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and I will see you in the next video.